As the weeks of lockdown drag on, many Americans are getting fed up with stay-at-home orders. Health officials are concerned a rise in quarantine fatigue may increase the spread of coronavirus.
I'm noticing myself getting edgier sometimes.
After weeks of stay-at-home orders, quarantine fatigue is kicking in. Since mid-April, the data shows that Americans have been growing weary of social distancing. They're losing motivation to follow health guidelines and are venturing outside of their homes despite lockdown mandates. Psychologists warn this phenomenon will only increase with time, particularly as the weather gets warmer.
We're starting to focus on the negative and feel physically and mentally depleted.
The trend is catching the attention of public health officials who say that even as countries lift their lockdown restrictions, people must fight the urge to resume their normal lives.
A disregard for the behavioral changes we have all made to limit COVID-19 will send us down the road no one of us want to take.
So what can we do to fend off quarantine fatigue? Psychologists recommend finding a new routine and sticking to it, whether it's learning a new skill, getting creative with cooking, or connecting with old friends. Experts also say it's helpful to remind yourself of the importance of staying home and that loosening the practice of social distancing might inadvertently spread infection.
I'd rather be living, wearing a mask and gloves than have to bury someone or someone have to bury me.
Hosting virtual get-togethers, exercising regularly, and donating to charity are just some of the recommended ways to cope with quarantine fatigue.